All right, let's go again. We are still treating fundamental operations with complex number system. Let's take this question. Given that z1 is equal to 7 minus 5i and z2 is equal to 2 minus 3i, find a, z1 plus z2, b, z1 minus z2, c, z1 times z2, d, z1 divided by z2. Okay, now solution, let's go. A, we have z1 plus z2. We are going to have 7 minus 5i in bracket plus 2 minus 3i in bracket. So let's open the bracket. We're going to have 7 minus 5i plus 2 minus 3i. Okay, so the real part plus the real part, the imaginary part plus the imaginary part. So we're going to have 7 plus 2 is equal to what? 9. So minus 5i minus 3i going to give you minus 8i. So therefore z1 plus z2 is equal to 9 minus 8i. Okay, good. Let's go. B, which is z1 minus z2. We're going to have 7 minus 5i in bracket minus open bracket 2 minus 3i close bracket. Here let's open the bracket. We're going to have 7 minus 5i minus times 2. We're going to have minus 2, then minus times minus 3i, we're going to have plus 3i. Okay, so that means we're going to have 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, and then minus 5i plus 3i is equal to what? Minus 2i. So therefore z1 minus z2 is equal to 5 minus 2i. All right, let's go. Number C, z1 times z2. So we're having 7 minus 5i in bracket times 2 minus 3i in bracket. Okay, so when we multiply, we're going to have 14 minus 21i minus 10i plus 15i square. Okay, good. Now let's go. We have minus 21i minus 10i is equal to minus 31i. Okay, so we know that I square is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 times 15 is what? Minus 15. So therefore we have 14 minus 15 is equal to minus 1, and then minus 31i. So therefore z1 times z2 is equal to minus 1 minus 31i. All right, let's go. Number D, z1 divided by z2. So we are going to have 7 minus 5i all over 2 minus 3i. Okay, here we are going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the word denominator. Okay, so we're going to have 7 minus 5i multiplied by 2 plus 3i. So 2 plus 3i is the conjugate of the denominator, all over 2 minus 3i multiplied by 2 plus 3i. So the conjugate of the denominator is what? 2 plus 3i. We multiply both the numerator and the what? The denominator. So when we multiply the numerator, we're going to have 14 plus 21i minus 10i minus 15i square all over 4 plus 6i minus 6i minus 9i square. Okay, so when you say in a numerator 21i minus 10i is equal to what? 11i, and then minus 15i square is going to give you plus 15. So 14 plus 15 is equal to what? 29. So we have 29 plus 11i. Okay, now in our denominator we have 6i minus 6i is equal to what? To 0. We have minus 9i square is going to give us plus 9. So 4 plus 9 is going to give us what? 13. So therefore we're going to have 29 plus 11i all over 13. So we're going to write it this way: 29 all over 13 plus 11 all over 13i. So therefore z1 divided by z2 is going to give you 29 all over 13 plus 11 all over 13i. All right, thank you very much. Let's take more examples.